Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be jumping in some highway races. And yes, we are going to be jumping in some highway races. Yes, we're going to be going right ahead, jumping into some highway races. Alright, here we go. Alright, we got another Pagani Zonda with us. I'm going to catch him. I can tell already that my car's way faster than his Bugatti. This car is really good on highway races, so I actually prefer this car. Where is he? Jesus. Oh no! Alright. Guys, we are messing up everywhere. Oh my god. We're lagging. Oh my god, don't fly off the highway, please. He's not gonna beat my record, I know that. Oh, yep, he didn't beat it. My record is 75.281. That's my record, so he didn't beat it. I still have a record. Alright, I got second place. That's cool. Alright, guys. Well, we can't do highway races because we're lagging a little bit. That's fine. Let's go upgrade my Tesla. I forgot to tell you guys, I got a motorcycle and a Tesla and a Hummer. I got all those 3 cars. So yeah, let's jump right in, and I'll see you at the shop. 3, 2, 1, we're at the shop. Alright, we are in the shop, and yes, we are going to upgrade my cool, blue, shiny Tesla Model X. So let's do this. We only have 91,000, so we don't really have that much money. Because I spent it on the Pagani Zonda, so I don't really have that much money. Yep, here we go. That doesn't work. Alright, here we go. Alright, we're going to use the engine. I think we already got that. Alright, racing brakes. Definitely racing brakes. This car is going to be definitely a race car. Yep. Turbocharger, we don't have enough of that. Style, let's do slim. Nah, that doesn't work out too good. Yeah, definitely that. That actually looks like a race car. Alright, this car is, I noticed it's tall, so we have to lower it. Let me get on the transmission. Pro short gears. We can't lower it because we don't have enough money, so. Oh, wait, street racer's only 10,000. Yeah, so we lowered it. Oh, we only have 8,000. Alright. Let's put the, what is it called? License plate. Let's put the, Jacko Squad. Oh my god. Squad. I might have spelled it wrong, but that doesn't matter. Squad. The Jacko Squad. And it only spelled SQ. Well, it almost spelled squad, so yeah. Alright, let's see this beast go on the road. Now let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Alright, let's make this happen. Oh my god, we're lagging so much. I'll be right back when I'm done lagging. I did that in the vehicle simulator codes. I was just too excited to do the codes for you guys, but yeah, we'll be back when we're done lagging. So yeah, sayonara. Sayonara. Alright guys, we have stopped lagging, and yeah, let's get right into this video. Ooh, alright, let's do this. Let's go raise some peeps. The peeps. No. I will be getting like 6.3 because, oh my god. Oh. Alright guys, I will be right back. Alright you guys, sorry for the interruption. I was just talking to my mom about getting new shoes, and I'm really happy that I'm gonna get new shoes because I haven't got shoes in like a year probably about that time. So they're blue and white Under Armour shoes. So yeah, here we go. Let's get right into the video. Right. Oh my god. Oh, I died. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do that. Alright. But my Akira is sick. Hey guys, go subscribe to the I'm a Flying Midget because he does lots of Vehicle Simulator videos, like tons. So you guys go watch him. He does all sorts of things. It's really cool. I actually subbed to him on both of my channels. Yep. Alright, let's go on to my other camo car, Ford GT. Look at that. That black camo. It's a rare, I think. Alright, Hobo, that's not the time for that. And you, why don't you block me? I'm not blocking you because you're not a piece of garbage. Why don't you block me? I'm not blocking you because you're nothing but a piece of 10 times bus. Yeah, 10 times bus. Bro, the Dodge Charger sucks. Oh my god, it sucks so bad. Because every time you try and go, like it's like not as normal. Because it like when you're going, when it like takes off up in the air, the bottom tire goes all the way down to the ground and like makes black smoke go up in the air. It makes it horribly wrong because it defeats the purpose of the Dodge Ram. It's supposed to go a little above the ground, then take off. That's the purpose of the car. Well, it really doesn't defeat the purpose, but a little it does. So, Sim Builder, can you please try and fix that? Because I don't want to waste my money on that car. Oh my god, I'm gonna try and get the Lamborghini Veneno. I think that's what it's called. Veneno? Yeah, Veneno. And I only have 74,000. I think next time I record is gonna be like in 2 weeks. Or yeah, 2 weeks. Yeah. I think a week or a week or two. That's when I'm gonna get the money. Because it takes a few days to get 4 million. Not a few days. It takes like 7 days, like a whole week to get it. No joke. So yeah, guys. I will see you 2 weeks or 1 week. And yes, peace out, my fellas. So let's look at my car real quick. Peace out.